For this lesson, we're going to discuss the blues scale. I see the blues scale as a minor pentatonic with an extra note, with the flat 5 or sharp 4. I use them on dominant chords, but also on minor chords, And let's have a look all the position of a G minor blues scale. On position 1, we have 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4. On position 2, we have 1, 3, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3. On position 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 4. On position 4, we have 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3. And then the last position, position 5, we have 1, 3, 1, 3, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. The basic exercise are very similar to the pentatonic scale that we did previously, and always trying to get comfortable with all the shapes and then to jump from one shape to another. So, exercise 1. Exercise number 2. Exercise number 3. Exercise 4. Now, what I want to say regarding the blues scale, you also have a blues major scale, which is we are in G. The shape is 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1. So it's a major pentatonic with a flat 3, basically. Now, it is possible to mix the minor blues scale and the major blues scale. You need to just be careful because sometimes it gets a bit tiring as a sound, so you need to mix it with other material. But it's an excellent way to add extra notes. It's like you get like a super blues scale, And it's very effective, it's very nice, and then you can add extra notes.